Good morning, my awesome friends and family. It's prepping time. Every week I buy a little extra on my grocery trips for I can stock up my pantry. And this is the extra items that I have picked in the last 2 weeks. And so this is this week's prepping video. And you know certain things are extremely hard to find, like Scott toilet paper. Very hard to find. And I happened to find a 12-pack today. Oh, I was so happy. And the same with the facial tissues. Those are hard to find also. They're paper goods. Oh my gosh. So glad you stopped by. And I hope you enjoy this prepping video for this time. Watch and see what all I bought. Well, Mr. Peanut was been pretty unhappy with me. He says, why are we prepping for you and Dad and nothing for me? Well, he was correct. I haven't been prepping for that baby at all. And as you see, I tried to buy his food made in America also. Now, they could be lying to me, but I hope they're not, that these products are being made in this country and not in another country. Okay. I got him 2 bags, as you can see, and I had really got 3 because one I've already opened and put where I normally store his dog food. I could really easily buy a big bag of this, but I'd rather have the smaller bags because I have a small dog and I don't want it to get moldy sitting around. Then I bought 4 of these for him can have some treats. You know, he's like Dad. He's got to have his treats or he gets a little crabby. So I got 4 of these, and I'll get him some more treats maybe in a couple of weeks. But you know, I like to stock up on his treats when I happen to find something I know he likes. So I got 4 bags of treats for the baby. Like I said in a previous video, I like to always have crackers stocked up also when we're having issues because I can use crackers instead of bread for sandwiches. You know, make a tuna sandwich, spread, and put it on crackers instead of bread. I don't know how bad it's going to get this winter, but I got to be prepared for it. And then my husband loves snack crackers, so I got him 1 cheese and 1 sour cream and onion. So that should keep the big daddy happy for a while, hopefully. And he does love these Ritz toasted chips. They're one of his favorites. Now, let's see what else I got the big guy to snack on. He had Cheetos on special. And so I stocked up because they were on sale and bought 4 bags of Cheetos today also. Now, me, I'd be buying the hot, spicy one or lime ones, but he's too delicate of a stomach to handle that. So Grandpa's stomach can only handle this kind of Cheetos. So I bought some. We have to stock up and keep Grandpa happy too. You know, he's stuck at home all the time. He needs to have some treats. And we do have a lot of eggs here and oatmeal and other things to eat besides this for breakfast because I don't want to hear about all the sugar. These are not for the grandkids. These are for Big Daddy. He likes a little bit of sugar in his diet. And you know, whatever he wants, he gets. Most of these are store brands because they're about the half of the cost of the name brands, and most of them taste just fine. So that's why they look a little different because that's all I could find. And Frosted Flakes, of course, that's all I could find when I went that day. You know, we just buy what we can find. You can't be too picky if you are going to be shopping. There's always a lot of empty shelves anymore. And I'm also stocking up on some toothpaste. I just stocked up a while back on some, but I was already starting to get low again. And there's only 2 of us. You wouldn't think we go through that much toothpaste. But anyway, I got some of this. I know it's more expensive, and it's probably all in my mind that it's better for my teeth, but I bought it anyway and spent the extra money. There's just 2 of us, and we have enough money to get by and afford to buy it, so that's what I think. We deserve it. And then I got some of this itch and rash cream because we're old and we're a little bit on the chubby side. We need a little help sometimes. And then sometimes we get little scrapes and little boo-boos, and we need something for that too. So that's what else I bought stocking up. And I already have, as you know, if you go back on my other posts that I've done, I got enough Band-Aids for the next 2 years. So that's not even an issue or a problem. And I stocked up on some KoolAid. I got Tropical Punch and Cherry. Both of them are 30% less sugar. I don't know if that's true, but I'm just reading what the container says. And I got some of this artificial sweetener that has no calories and supposed to be a little bit more healthier for you than the Sweet and Lows and stuff. And I like it fine. It doesn't bother me any. And it's a little pricey, so I only got 50. So probably next time I go, and of course it says packaged in the U.S. I don't know if package means they made it here or they just brought it in by the ton and packaged it here. Who knows? Well, we do the best we can to try to buy American. So that's what I did on those. And we all know that paper goods are the one that's really, really hard to deal with here. So I noticed these were not on sale. If you're wondering why I bought so many, because I don't know if we're going to have Kleenex next time I go. This is something that I could run out of, and that is not going to happen to me again like it did last year. I did find 4 antiviral tissues. I don't know if they really work or not. I'm just reading what's on the container, and we have no idea if it really works or if it's just advertisement. And I do know the lotion ones work because, as you can see, I buy these all the time, and they really do help keep you from the tissues messing up your skin. So these I do know that work, and that I always have some of those. But because of the virus so bad right now, I figured I might need to buy a few of these, so I bought 4. Because I have to wear a mask all the time when I'm out in public, and my nose constantly runs when I'm wearing a mask. Don't know why that is, but it just happens. And then, I couldn't believe it, I haven't seen Scott toilet paper in about a month. They had this 12 roll one, and this is the only one they had, so of course, I bought it. It isn't that I needed it, but who knows how long we're going to be out of toilet paper again. So anytime I see Scott's, because it's almost impossible to find here, I buy it. And I bought 2 packages of new masks. Not that I do not have cloth masks, I do. But you know what the trouble is? I go somewhere and I realize I've left my mask at home. So I bought 2, one for the truck and one for the car. So anytime that we're out and about, I have a mask that I can find in one of the vehicles. We have no excuse why we can't put one on, and I don't have to run home. So that's what I did on this shopping haul this week. Like I said, I do a shopping haul every 2 weeks to stock up the pantry, stock up on the toilet paper, anything when I find it. And next week, or I guess in 2 weeks, we will do another one. I try not to make it too big because I want you not to get overwhelmed with a long video. And we all know that 2 minutes usually is my max on my video length. Well, thank you so much for stopping by, my awesome friends and family, for this prepping video that I did today. I love you all so much, and thank you for staying to the very end. Kisses and hugs to all of my awesome friends and family that stop by all the time. Love you all so much. Thank you for all the love and support you always show my channel. It's really appreciated. Another set of kisses and hugs because I love you all so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. Hugs and kisses until the very last minute. You mean the world to me. Bye-bye for now.